Hey guys, I'm gonna be teaching you on how to make slime. So what you're gonna do is get a bowl or plate and a spoon. And what you're gonna do is first get some glue. Then pour it in your bowl or plate. I'm not gonna use all of it because if you use all of it, everyone's gonna be there. But use it. So the first thing we'll need is some glue. Okay. After we put some glue, what we're gonna do is get some paint. I'm gonna use some orange paint, but you could use whatever kind of paint you want. What you can do is put the paint inside your glue or full color I like to use pink because of the color. I mean, look at this. There's no orange food coloring, I think. For sure, I know there's no brown food coloring or pink food coloring. Like, what the heck? Why? Okay. Now we're going to mix it in with our spoon. The spoon always come in handy. Okay, let's mix it. Enough with the spoon talk. Because it's spoon-tacular. Okay, enough with the jokes. Yeah. I don't have to upload this. It's going to take forever. Oh, I have 2 YouTube channels. So, but I'm going to tell you the name. My other YouTube channel was I share that one with my dad, and he made up the name for that one. And I want you guys to go subscribe to that one. You guys just subscribe to this one, okay? So yeah, after you just mix it in. Mine's not done mixing. I just want to mix in all the sides. Keep on mixing. If you want, you could wear gloves too, but I'm not wearing gloves. Okay. Ooh, I mixed the back. It's kind of really good. It's really smooth. Okay. Here comes the messy part. Tide. So what you're gonna do is put a little bit that tide, a little bit. I like to put like a lot. So that's what but yeah, put that much. It will work because I did it before. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm so sorry for that. Please zoom in. Okay. What you're gonna do is like mix the tide in. Ugh, this is starting to look like poop. So what you're gonna get is like it's all sticking together. Show you. Okay. Better than last time, but I'm gonna need a little bit more tide. A lot more tide. That's a little bit. Yes. But you could use any kind of detergent except download or whatever that's called. Just use any kind of detergent. If that detergent do not work, then use any other detergent except that one, because that one is the one that does not work. Okay. Oh god, this is really sticky. Oh no. Okay, what you're gonna do is put some more Tide. I'm gonna rub it on the top. The top only. Don't just go and rub it in with your hands, just like me. I like to rub with my hand, washing it off because I'm gonna have to touch the camera and I don't want it to get wet. If you already subscribed to me, I'm sorry, but I'm going to change my name. That is my uncle's name. To let you know, my name is Madison. Now, I'm not telling you my last name, and my last name is not Trouble. That's my other last name, and nobody can know. Oh, God. Okay, I'm going to start. Oh, what you're going to do is put the things on your hand so it won't stick to your hands when you're mixing it with your hands. Yes, you have to mix it with your hands. You can't just keep on mixing it with the spoon. Well, it's going to be slime, but it's going to be really sticky if you don't do it. So if you want yours to be sticky, then go ahead and do that. I'm trying to get my slime white. Exact one. What's my name? Oh, and go watch the sentence. Oh, it's already out. Not on theaters, on TV, Disney Channel. I have a different TV, but for this TV, the number will be not 290. So if you have my phone TV, go put 290 on your remote. So yeah, but it's not really different TVs because there's a lot of different TVs, and it's just because it's not the same TV that does not mean it won't be. Okay. Just if you have a remote and the whatever, I'll show you the remote later. Oh, but this is so satisfying. I love it. Okay. Put this in the trash pile. Oh, I just realized that was a big plate. That was a big plate. Yeah. I did not realize I used a big plate. I thought that was the same size as my other one. That's big.
¿Qué estás haciendo?
Popcorn. Ahí.
¿Qué estás haciendo?
Allí. Doing no sabe. ¿Tú puedo hablar? Sorry about this is my grandma. This is my grandma and she always speaks Spanish. And then you have your thing. I like to put myself in little containers. There you go. There's just one. Oh, and the remote over here. Sorry, you guys. I don't know where the remote is, but bye, guys.